Nature gives to every time and season some beauties of its own, and from morning to night, as from the cradle to the grave, it is but a succession of changes so gentle and easy that we can scarcely mark their progress. A sense of the universe, a sense of the all, the nostalgia which seizes us when confronted by nature, beauty, music, these seem to be an expectation and awareness of a great presence. It is not so much for its beauty that the forest makes a claim upon men's hearts, as for that subtle something, that quality of air, that emanation from all the trees, that so wonderfully changes and renews a weary spirit. Our task must be to free ourselves by widening our circle of compassion, to embrace all living creatures and the whole of nature and its beauty. Beauty for some provides escape who gain a happiness in eyeing the gorgeous buttocks of the ape or autumn sunsets exquisitely dying. For the mind disturbed, the still beauty of dawn is nature's finest flame. Sunsets are so beautiful that they almost seem as if we were looking through the gates of heaven,